Hello, this is a quick video on how to work on PDFs in Google Classroom. I know some people have been printing off work, taking photos of it and uploading it, but hopefully this will save you some time. To start with, I'm going to show you how to do it on mobile devices, whether that's Android or Apple, whether that's a phone or a tablet. So this is how it works. This is my iPad, and this is some work from Mrs. Jones. So let's say you've done the video and you've clicked on the PDF icon down at the bottom to open up your PDF. You'll see this is your work that's been set, and it's actually a couple of pages in length. Now at the top right corner now you'll see a little pencil icon. I'm going to click on that, and that then gives me the option to edit this document. At the bottom of the screen you'll see a small bar with a pen tab that enables you to change the size and the colour of the text for you to write over the screen with it. As well down there you'll see a little A for text, so we can actually select that one and then click into any of the boxes on the screen, and that will give me the option to start typing over the top of this PDF. At the sides of the screen you'll see little arrows. That will enable me to then switch to the next pages of the PDF. If I'm not happy with the text I've typed, I can resize that. You might want to zoom in with the normal sort of gestures on your tablet to move things around a little bit more easily. Sometimes moving the bigger the screen, the easier you'll find it to do, but on smaller screens you'll certainly need to zoom in to be able to move things around a bit better. So as I mentioned, the arrows at the side will enable you to move to the next page of the PDF, and all your changes will still be saved on the first page. Again, we can use the text boxes to click anywhere on the PDF to write over the top of it, or if you prefer to write by hand, then you can use the pen tool and write over the top like so. When you're happy with it, you'll notice the save button in the top corner, and that's what we'll press to finish. It might be 3 dots on an Android device, but it should take you through to the same menu where you can save, and then you'll see that it's saving this document here. Don't be alarmed if you see then that it looks blank. That's the original one that's been attached to Google Classroom. So if you close that and at the bottom select the Your Work sort of banner, you'll then see the edited PDF there, and if you click onto that again you'll be able to look through and see the changes that you've made so far. After you've done that, of course, you're ready to add any comments to your work that you need to, or just click Hand In if you're ready to hand it in. Here we are on a Chromebook, laptop or desktop PC. It should be the same. So again, once you've done the work, you can click onto your PDF. You'll notice there's no pencil in the top right corner, but instead, at the top of this PDF, you'll notice this Open With box. And again, I've checked this on a Mac and all other sort of a desktop PC and laptops, Chromebooks. We'll click Open With at the top there, and you should see the option for Doc Hub PDF, sign and edit. If it's not there, you might be able to just look for it in the option underneath, and it will open up again where you've got the option to make some edits and changes to your document. As you can see, I've already had a little experiment with it at the moment. But at the bar at the top, again, you've got the pen tool, you've got a text tool, so you've got options to add things over the top of here. So drawing freehand, like we did on the tablet, or again we can select a text box. It helps you to align them with this on Doc Hub, which is a bit easier. Or you can click there to move it around afterwards if you're not happy with your the positioning of your text boxes. The other little button at the top, the little bin, is to delete things if you're not happy with them as well. Again, you can scroll down to edit additional pages of the PDF. And you'll notice there isn't the save button at the top. We'll go over what we do with that in a moment. So again, you can either type into boxes or write over the top if you've got a touch screen, or you want to have a go at doing that with a mouse, which might be quite difficult. Anyway, so when you're done at the top corner, you'll notice that little download export button. We click that one, and you could download this edited PDF to your computer and then upload it back to Classroom, or you've got the option to save it to Google Classroom there. I'm going to click on the upload button there, and that will then give me the option then to choose a class. So I'm going to choose the class that I was doing this work from. It'll load up some pieces of work that you can assign it to, and just remember which day it is that you're doing it to, assign it to that and click go. Again, Don't be alarmed if it opens up or if it looks a little unusual, can I access the page? Don't worry, just click attach to that, it should be fine. And I can click view assignment to have a look and check that it's uploaded. Okay, now we've got 3 tabs open at the top. The first one was the one we started with, but you can see here in the Your Work section on the right, it's got the attachment that I've added. Now it has given it a strange name, but not to worry, open it up and you'll be able to see all the changes that you made there. So any of the adjustments that I made to the document, anything that I've edited is saved onto there. So that's all fine. I'm happy to close those tabs. And in fact, if I look back at the original tab that I had open, you'll notice that the work that I've saved is still in the Your Work section. So I'm happy to close those tabs. And the first tab I opened, it's still got the original PDF that I opened, which is still blank. But the one within the Your Work section is the one that I've changed and edited. So I'm happy to use that. I can now add any comments and then click Turn In. Hope you found this useful. If you've got any other questions, please email your class teacher and they'll let me know. Thanks.